The Polaris Phoenix 200 is a popular kid-friendly ATV, however, it's known for several common problems such as throttle limiter braking and getting stuck, cold or hard starting issues, engine stalling or backfiring, loss of power, transmission problems, rear brake issues. To avoid these problems, make sure to follow the recommended maintenance schedule and address any issues promptly. If you're experiencing any of these problems, consult your owner's manual or contact a certified Polaris repair technician for assistance. Keep in mind that proper maintenance and timely repairs can help prolong the life of your ATV and ensure a safe and enjoyable riding experience.